What's going on? It's Valencia, the Good Life Queen. I am super excited, guys. I have been doing phenomenal. I set my goal for $250,000 for the year. What? Would you believe? Can I tell you? I already surpassed it. Let me tell you why I did. Because of the strategies and the methods that I use. I got out of the norm and I realized that I can do all things. That I learned the right messaging and I learned who I was talking to and how to promote. And then you know what I did? I figured out my right pricing. I figured out that I was worth more. My value was more. My business was worth more. And I figured out, you know what, who I need, precisely who to help, to put them in the same shoes that I am, to break cycles, to break generational curses, and to help other people do the same exact thing. So listen, if that's you, I'm having a masterclass on May 30th and the 31st. It's called the Wealth Expanding Your Wealth. I want to show you how to do the same. So set up a wealth chat, click the link in the bio, or message me for the discounted link. Tickets are going fast.